Hey guys, John with Off-Grid Homesteading over here at one of our friends' place, and this is the dump truck that we are picking up. Traded a couple of our, got those Sea-Doos that we had sitting in some of these videos, and we ended up trading that for this Ford, I think it's a F600 with a dump bed. Let me show you what it looks like. So here it sits, as it's been sitting for a while. Kind of cute. Give us a little bit more capacity than before. There's that. This is Paul. You want to say hi, Paul?
Hello.
He's saying hi. So anyway, it's got carburetor and stuff off of it. Needs a battery and some other things, but it should make a great hauling vehicle to get things around. So, anywho, there it is. Let's take a look inside. So there's your two-tone color, red and rust. There's your spot for the battery, brakes. Looks like the mice and squirrels have been busy at work. Might be some work on that. But check it out. This is the before. And all that stuff. Here's your roof. All fixable, and it'll be really cool when we get this completed done. And open the hood here. Where is it? There it is. Done. There we go. Look at that. You can actually stick a couple people in here and close the hood.
I know a couple I'd like to stick in there and close the hood.
Yeah, why not? Okay, I'm going to set this up and we're going to get to work. There is Paul leaving behind me, and we have the dump truck behind me. Looks a lot better out of the grass. You can see it better. So, did great. We pulled it down some crazy hills with the chain. Stuck it in second gear. Did a great job. Got it home, man. This is, you got 1/2 inch thick steel on this whole thing. Pretty crazy, amazing. So, not bad. So I invested $250 or so in that, in those Sea-Doos. And my buddy who came over said, "Hey, what are you doing with those Sea-Doos?" I said, "Well, it's just a project." I said, "Why, you want them?" He goes, "Well, yeah." And we made a deal for this. So, in essence, I got this for $250. And all I got to do is a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. So, nothing that can't be worked on. Solid steel, minus the rust. Got your battery compartment here. An extra carburetor there. That needs to be replaced. Air cleaner. Lots of nuts. We go to the other side. Little tool workbox stuff out here. Not sure what that is. Has a spare way to carry your beer while you're driving the dump truck. Locking gas cap, because somebody definitely will want to steal this. That dog might want to steal it. Don't you, Teddy? Don't you, Teddy? You do, don't you? You want to come steal my dump truck? Yeah, yes. And I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. Well, that's kind of shut. I'll have to get that open. And a few years worth of nuts. Comes pre-installed with a stealth horsefly. Look at that guy. Or girl. That's a girl, actually. That's the ones that bite the shit out of you. And check out the dash. So it's got air, wipers, lights, lighter. Man, if you got to 100 in this thing, I would not be in your way. Throttle, choke. I can't read that. There it says. Oh, fan. And then you've got your brakes for the main system here, and then that kicks in your transmission for the back somehow. I'm not sure how that works. So that's four-wheel drive or what. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay. Looks like we need to find an upholsterer. Found one. Pretty cool, huh? So this is a so it looks like it is a F600. I'm not sure what year it is. Enough numbers here, so if you know anything about this, let us know. And that's it. So one more project to work on, but this one will be awesome because then we can use our backhoe and stuff over there, load this sucker up, move our dirt and things where we need them the first time. Hi, Khaleesi. Hi, babies. What are you doing? Yeah, you're a good doggy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And yeah, so we'll get this thing going and have another functional vehicle on the farm. So you can do this thing with very little money. Take care. Bye-bye.